Hey everyone, Drew Short here with Short Order Detailers out of Moore, Oklahoma. And I have a truck in my possession right now from a lawn care service. I've actually cleaned 4 others just like this, slightly different models. One of them was a Toyota. This one is a Ford F-150, and yeah, Ford F-150. And it comes to me pretty nasty. I don't know when this thing was cleaned last. Judging from it, it doesn't look like it's been cleaned very often at all. So let me show you the inside real quick. Now this is going to be just an interior detail, and it's not going to be too extensive, but you can kind of see the carpet is pretty bad, so he does want me to shampoo the carpet, as well as the seats, and you can see the center console is pretty nasty, got some staining, and it does feel wet. I don't know what's going on there. And then the seats, you know, they're stained, of course, just a little bit here and there. There is some kind of a greasy spot right over there, and underneath is pretty bad too. So, although that's come to be expected, it is a work truck after all. Here in the front driver's side footwell, it is pretty nasty with some grass, so that'll take a little bit of effort to get up. And the back area right back here also has some garbage. I don't know if that card is theirs, but yeah, this is, you know, just like any other work truck. It's pretty dirty, just needs a good cleaning. So, not really gonna go over like a huge filming process of this. It'll mainly just be time lapse, and you guys will just kind of see what it looks like at the end. So, crappy things happen. Battery died halfway through this detail, so you didn't get to see a lot of the carpet cleaning. You did get to see some of the seats, but carpet, not so much. Went ahead and wiped down all the hard plastics and cleaned the windows, so here is the final result.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2,
And that is it. Interior detail is done. Hope you guys enjoyed what little I was able to get recorded. And sorry that the camera stopped. Sometimes it happens, and I don't know why the battery goes down so fast, but we got it done regardless. And if you guys are in the Moore, Oklahoma City metro area, just be sure and hit me up at shortorderdetailers.com to set up your appointment. You can email or text me, does not matter. And if you are not in the general vicinity, but like the videos, be sure and comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And we'd love to talk to you down below in the comment section. So, hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.